Ayan. Hi guys! It's me back again. And what happened to my camera? How's everyone guys? I'm walking. It's June 24? Is it 24 today? Yeah, I think. But yeah, my camera. My camera, oh my god, what happened to my camera? I was planning to bike today because I want to sue because I want to buy more time. I want to finish my project. But, unfortunately, my bike is flat. My tires are flat, girl. I don't know what happened. The last time that I used it, it was okay, but now, what happened, girl? I was like, ah! What time is it? Oh my god. Anyways, but yeah, I'm walking. I'm just, walking fast. We don't have anything to do naman in my A-block because like we're just playing volleyball later. So I'm just wearing this one because like we're playing volleyball. For my socials, we have assessment, which is I review last night and yesterday. Hopefully, diba? Marami akong maisugahan.
Ayan na naman si ate ko. Naglalaro na naman siya ng ganda-ganda.
Ingay na naman siya. Anyways guys, bye-bye. What time is it? Oh, stop! Hi guys. I'm here in the dance room. I'm just reviewing. Well, we just played volleyball yesterday. Earlier pa lang. So here I am reviewing, then kumakain for my socials assessment, guys.
A few moments later.
I just finished my assessment and social. Stressful day. 40 minutes so long. What if di ko nagawa yung best ko? Oh my god, no, I did my best. Oh my god, di ko kaya. Pagod na ako, Beb. Are you ready to brigade the level? Big, grab your big breakouts.
The next morning.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the Copernican vlog today. It's B vlog and D vlog. So, yeah. I'm just organizing my things because I was doing my for my teachers, but I decided I'm just gonna give it to them tomorrow. Then this is my textile, so I'll just give this tomorrow because life is not a race. Bini said that life is not a race. Come on, let's go with me to pick my outfit today. Of course, Mac isn't Mac without denim. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Let me set up my ironing board here. So guys, let me pick my outfit.
Many hours later.
Hi everyone, I'm so sorry that I didn't vlog earlier because I was so busy. Pwede ba ito talaga dito? Ayan, dahil I finished my project then. I was like, anong oras na? What time is it? And I'm like, but Gabby, fortunately I finished it. Hi! Pangit ko!
Go! Nagya!
Ito siya. Sa mga gustong pumunta, just on this Hi guys, I'm here at Dollarama and just finished my PE class as played earlier. And I'm going to buy several of these and probably Sharpie, I guess. Wait, what do I need? Girl, what do I need? So, what else? Ano pa ba? Do we need to print something? Let's just go to the library. I'm not, ano naman.
Moments later.
Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome to our podcast. Just kidding. So I'm just trying the mic because I don't know if you can hear me though. But yeah, I just finished my gifts from my teachers. This is my from Mr. Phillips, my PE teacher, guys. Then here it says the farther background you can look, the farther forward you are likely to see by W. Churchill. So yes, tomorrow is our last day of school, which is we have to go to our A block and B block. So this is from my textile. Necessity is the mother of invention because my teacher always said that to us. So, and this is to my composition teacher. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want.
Early the next morning.
Tunog na ba eh? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not.
Kaya pala nagluto para lang i-vlog.
Hoy,
Sa ganyan guys, good morning.
wala kasing almusal. Hey guys, kain na. So yeah guys, this is me unexpectedly won an award in the last day of school. So yeah, hindi na ako nakapag-video but nabigay ko naman yung mga gifts ko and they love it. And this is the end of the vlog guys. And thank you for watching. Love you all people.